We started off with a 2-bedroom and a study little Californian bungalow to a 4-bedroom house with a study and 2 bathrooms. It's more than double the size of our house. We started in 2017. We approached a couple of other draftsmen to have a look at, but the process was getting way too hard for us to manage. So we engaged Hille's, I think it was in March of 2017. We sat down with Jim, he came out and ran through the design process with us, asked us a lot of questions about how he wanted it to work. He put it down on paper, came back to us a couple of weeks later. Then within a couple of months, all the plans were more or less completed. And then Hille started construction March 2018. And we finished in December 2018. So it was more or less an 8-month build. They were great. They were all really helpful on site. They could talk you through everything they were doing through each stage of the build. It was a really nice process. Our 2 young girls were sharing 1 bedroom, but now they've got a bedroom each and a living space. We're not living on top of each other anymore, and we know that once they grow up, that they can go and study in a separate area. Now it's completed, the way it's been built is exactly how I imagined it being done. You probably can't put into words how you actually feel once you walk through that front door, once it's been fully completed. We've seen our dream become a reality.